Well, in previous video, we have talked about error handling. In this video, I am going to have a very, very important lecture. That's a generator. Well, generators in Python is especially important topic. Generator allows us to generate a sequence of value like range. We have the range and we just have like 100. Well, this is a generator. It will generate a sequence of value. Specifically, we can say that a generator is a special type of thing, well, that allows us to use a special keyword yield. Now I want to have a very description of this, not a practical. Well, in a while I just will have the example and everything needed for a generator to clear the concept of generator. So it will use the keyword yield. So this is keyword having the generator. Now let me have very simple example, like list range of 100. Okay, let me have this very simple one. This is a list of 100 values, like from 0 till 99. So it has taken a value in the list. Well, it shows everything in the list. Now let me have a very simple function like make a list. I want to have a number and the result will be an empty list, and I want to have a for loop for I in range of number which can be provided, and the result will be append. I want to have this function with I multiply 2. Very simple. Let's return the result. Is it good? Well, I want to call this function. What will be the result? Like my list and make list 100. Let's print this make list, right? It shows a location, a space it takes, this function. So it shows the result. The result is space in memory. It takes a memory in the space, in the storage. Let's not be confused about this. In this generator, we have two things, like one is iterable and the other is generator. Okay, so this iterable is also something which can be something over iterate. Like everything that's a generator is iterable in function, in Python function, and anything that's iterable is not a generator. Well, range is a generator, as I said, so that's iterable as well. And a list is iterable, we can iterate. So but it is not a generator. So the list is not a generator, but the range is a generator that can be an iterable. Is very simple, and we can call very clearly that a generator is a subset of iterable. Well, the difference between them is the way we implement them. Like yield, as I said, that there is a keyword we use for generator which is yield. Yield will pauses a function. How cool is that? Let's have an example. Well, we can use the generator with function, like generator function. Want to have pass the number for I and range of the same thing which we had, and well, instead of result and all that, I use yield. What should I yield? This I. Okay, for item and generator function, let's have it 1000. Let's print the, well, this item. Okay, let's see what happens here. It shows everything perfectly. So we have the list. How cool is that? We have it here, like as I said, that yield will pauses the function. How this can be implemented? Now let's see. If I have here like G as generator function, we'll have 100, and let's print the G. What happens now? Well, the location is shown here, the storage or the place it takes. It shows that location, the generator. Well, what if I do like this? This next is a function. Then what will happen? Well, it shows the location again. Okay, let's have it again. Let's see what happens. It shows it again. But what if we just print the next here? We have it here, the next. Will it show something? Exactly, as 2, because it started from 0, 1, 2. Well, this yield paused the function. How cool is that? For example, if I have this, like I have the next once again, it prints 3, is very, very powerful. So let's have it like I multiply 2. What happens? 6. It prints exactly the same thing which we want. This is the generator in Python, and it's very, very powerful. You have to learn this, and you have to know each and everything. This next function, this G, in everything which we have taught here.